What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at Tesla since last week, Monday. You can see that when price gapped down lower, we did see a nice recovery from this breakout zone. So this was the breakout zone right here of about 290. This was prior resistance here, here, and here. The bulls were able to break through that level, came back to test it for support, found support, and then we're bouncing up higher. So it looks like we could be headed up higher because we bounced off that level. Also, there was this downward sloping trend line in play that looks like price broke through it, came back to back test it for support, and bounced off of it. Also, you can draw a trend line off the swing lows. It looks like there's this potential trend line in play. Towards the upside, you drag it up, it looks like a potential channel. So it looks like we're moving up higher, higher highs and higher lows. And that's why we're getting this uptrend pattern. So as right now, it looks pretty good to the upside. One leg up right here, potential second leg up, and that's targeting right around the 376 level and maybe even higher. So let's see what happens. This looks pretty good. Can't say for sure it's going to move up higher, but there's a lot more bullish signs than bearish signs. And that's all we need to, that's all we can go off of. Looking at the weekly charts, overall, it's kind of just been a very choppy range for a while now, but there is a bullish imbalance, which means a breakout to new all-time highs is most likely going to occur in the near future. So this looks like the range pattern right about there. Highs are probably right about here. And there's a bullish imbalance going on. You can see that we did make a new high back at the end of 2024 and then sold off. But look at this low compared to this low. It's lower than the prior one, or it's higher than the prior one. Same for this one here. It's higher than the prior one. So we have higher lows on the chart. So we have a low, a higher low, and a higher low, potentially another higher low. So there's a bullish imbalance, meaning there's a lot more aggressive buyers in the market than aggressive sellers who want to drive up the price. Even though, on the macro, we're kind of just moving sideways. We're at the same price as basically January 2022. So most likely price is going to move up higher. It's basically now or never. We have this trend line right here. That was the first angle. This was the second angle. And it looks like we potentially could be going up in a steeper angle now. So the trend is getting steeper and steeper. And I'm looking for a potential breakout of this range pattern. This is all I have for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.